The name of the boy is John. The name of the girl is Helen. The name of the father is Mr. Smith. The name of the mother is Mrs. Smith. What is the name of the girl? It is Helen. What is the name of the boy? It is John. What are the names of the parents? They are Thomas and Brittany. What is the name of the family? It is Smith. Mr. Smith has a wife. Her name is Brittany. Mr. Smith has a daughter. Her name is Helen. Mr. Smith has a son. His name is John. Does Mr. Smith have a wife? Yes, he has a wife. What is the name of his wife? Her name is Brittany. Does Mr. Smith have a son? Yes, he has a son. What is the name of his son? His name is John. Mr. Smith has a son and two daughters. What are the names of the three children? Their names are John, Helen, and Alice. The last name of John and Helen is Smith. They have the same last name. The last name of John and Alice is Smith. They also have the same last name, but they have different first names. John is 12 years old. How old is John? He is 12 years old. Helen is 10 years old. How old is Helen? She is 10 years old. The baby is 6 months old. How old is the baby? She is 6 months old. John is 12 years old, and Helen is 10 years old. John is 2 years older than Helen. Is John 14 years old? No, he is not 14 years old. He is only 12 years old. Is Helen 13 years old? No, she is not 13 years old. She is only 10 years old. Is Helen older than John? No, she is not older than John. John is 2 years older than she is. John is not 14, but he is 12 years old. Helen is not 13, but she is 10 years old. John is not a girl, but Helen is a girl. Helen is not a boy, but John is a boy. The baby is not old, but she is young. She is only 6 months old. Mr. Smith is a young man. He is 36 years old. Mrs. Smith is a young woman. She is 32 years old. Mr. Smith has a father. The father of Mr. Smith is not young. He is old. He is 62 years old. John, Helen, and the baby are young. They are children. Mr. and Mrs. Smith are also young, but they are older than the children. The children are younger than their parents. Is John younger than Helen? No, he is not younger than Helen. He is 2 years older than Helen. Is the baby younger than Helen? Yes, she is the youngest of the children. Which person in the family is the oldest? The father of Mr. Smith is the oldest. Which of the children is the youngest? The baby is the youngest. Does John have 3 sisters? No, he only has 2 sisters, not 3. Does Mr. and Mrs. Smith have 4 children? No, they do not have 4 children. They only have 3 children. Do Mr. and Mrs. Smith have 2 sons? No, they only have 1 son, but 2 daughters. What is the last name of the family? The name of the family is Smith. What is Helen? Helen is a girl. Which child is the boy? John is the boy. What day is it? It is Sunday. What is the first day of the week? Sunday is the first day of the week. What is the name of the first month? The name of the first month is January. Which month is the second? February is the second month. Which days of the week are the weekend? Saturday and Sunday are the weekend. Which days of the week are weekdays? There are 5 weekdays. They are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.